Hey guys, I'm Chris from Sourcing Allies. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 tips to finding a sourcing agent in China. Let's go. Sourcing Allies is a China sourcing agent with offices in the US, the UK, Sweden, and China. Visit sourcingallies.com for more information on how we can add value to your business. Tip number 1, a local presence. Wherever you're sourcing from, you want to make sure that you find somebody that has representation in or near the city that you're sourcing from. Now this can kind of be tricky because suppliers and trading companies can have locations further away from the actual manufacturer. So what you want to try to do is find the original manufacturer and a trading company that's in a similar area. The reason this helps is that when something goes wrong, the ability to be out there and talk to the supplier the same day makes all the difference in the world. The reason you're paying that person in the middle is to solve these issues, and if they can't be out there in one day or a couple hours, then you're really losing a lot of that time and a lot of the ability. They're really just talking over a QQ or something, trying to figure it out themselves. But if they're able to physically go out to the factory, then you know they're sitting down, looking at your product, figuring out the issues for you. Tip number 2, an office near you. In the same way that your trading company being close to your manufacturer is a benefit because they can get out there right away and figure out what's going on, your trading company having an office in the US super helpful to you as well. This can break down into many things. First, when you're doing the development, when you're trying to figure everything out, it's ease of communication. It's figuring out all the details in a similar time zone, and a similar dialect, a similar cultural understanding really can make a huge difference. Secondly, once you get to the place of placing tooling orders, sample orders, or even your production orders, them having a bank and a registered company in your home country provides you with a lot more legal protection than dealing directly with the supplier in China. There are some trade-offs there, including pricing, but you really will reap the benefits of working with a company that is spread around, that has a presence near the manufacturer and also near you. So you're covered under your local law, specifically in the US, you're covered under US law between businesses, and then here in China, you're being more protected and more representative here. So these first 2 steps are huge. They'll make all the difference for your production or your product. All right, number 3, communication. It's obvious. Everybody talks about it, but that's just because it's important. If you feel like you're working with somebody and whenever you say something, they're just kind of giving you, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, Chinese. You know, they're not totally understanding what you're talking about. So working with a company that has, it doesn't even have to be native speakers, that's best case scenario, but somebody that can really dial into what you're talking about and have a feeling and understanding for what you're communicating to them. Simplifies the process, make sure you're covered on all your bases, and really save you time and money in the long run. Communication is key. Number 4, experience in China. It's explained right in the title. If somebody has experience, they know what to expect. The next thing coming up, any of the red flags or the little warning signals that are happening, somebody that's been sourcing in China for a decade can see those things coming, can help correct the path or even stop with that supplier and switch to somebody that's going to be better to work with. So experience in China is key. Number 5, experience in the type of product or project that you're going to manufacture. Your shop might be selling all types of things. You might be manufacturing metal parts or doing fabrics, or it can range a huge range. These things change immensely. And so somebody that has experience in one area might not be the right agent in another area. So you really want to be looking for somebody that has the expertise in the type of product that you're making. Again, this comes with experience. They know what's going to go right, where it's going to go wrong, what to look out for when they're scheduling your inspection. When you're doing inspections, they know what to look out for. So really an experience in the specific area that you're doing can be a big money saver, a big time saver in the end. Now, if you like this video, we'll put our link to our website down below that has our RFQ. We'd love to hear any feedback. If you have specific questions about sourcing in China or about finding an agent in China, hit us up in the comments or send me an email. Thanks for your time, guys. We'll see you soon.